changing. I'm the potter and the clay.
Hi guys, ang mag-asawang manonood ang mag-asawang manonood ng movie. Pangji ka?
Divine DC.
Yo! Pero before we move on, eto. Can't figure it out. I can't figure it out. Yeah, I'm playing it now.
Thank you so much, Aurora, for lighting our fire and sharing your energy with us. If you have been enjoying our music and you want to hear
natin tong gabing to. Maaaring yung ibang kanta, matagal nyo nang huling narinig. Pero kung alam nyo, sabayan nyo kami. Simulan natin sa susunod na kanta na sinulat ko noon na... Grabe ko, pwede lang pumunta dyan, pupunta kami dyan. Okay. One last song. Sabayan nyo kami. Are you guys ready? Let's go!
Warm up muna tayo. Such an amazing audience. I know you can't see, but
Hi guys, today is Mother's Day. Ano yan? May 11, 2025 and hindi pa rin tayo nanay, but we're for mom. Next year nanay na tayo. Diba? Diba? Yeah! Tomorrow is the election day and we're gonna vote. I'll update you of what will happen tomorrow. So yeah. Ikaw, di mo kalala? In the morning and we're currently here na po ang struggle ko sa left and right. Hi guys! Nakakulot ako! Saya video tamu. Dali, tingnan ko ng free filming na ano. So, ay, may anino. Ayan po, anino. Ayan po. Ay, may anino. Dapat yan. Hi guys. Den.
Peace, then peace.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm